Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of XRP. If you're an American crypto hustler grinding through this bull run, strap in because this chart is screaming opportunity. Picture this, it's October 7th, 2025, and XRP is sitting pretty at $2.9723 USD on Binance, after dipping just 0.61% in the last 24 hours. But don't let that tiny red flicker fool you. This beast has been on a roller coaster that's got Wall Street whispering and retail traders like us buzzing. We're talking a market cap north of $170 billion, 24-hour volume exploding to 126 million XRP, and $378 million in USDT action. That's real money flowing, patriots. More liquidity than a Black Friday sale at Best Buy. Zoom in on that candlestick action, and it's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster unfold. From the left side of the screen, back in early September around the 18th, XRP was chilling in the $2.70s, building that base like a quarterback reading the defense. Then boom, green candles start stacking, pushing up to a peak near $3.19 by mid-month, riding that EMA 20 at 2.9860 like a wave at Huntington Beach. You see those orange and blue bars? They're the heartbeat, highs flirting with 3.06, lows dipping to 2.77. But every pullback finds buyers scooping up the dip like it's prime rib at a Texas steakhouse. Fast forward to late September, and we've got this sexy consolidation phase. A quick fake-out drop to 2.695 on the 28th, testing that EMA 200. Support at 2.9428 like it's daring the bears to blink first. But nope, buyers swarm in. Volume spikes to over 7 million on that rebound. And we're coiling up for the next leg higher. It's not some sleepy sideways grind. It's tension building, folks, like the calm before a 4th of July fireworks show. Now let's talk those indicators, because they're the secret sauce turning this chart into a trader's fever dream. Up top, those EMAs are hugging like old friends. The 7 period at 2.9860, 25 at 2.9870. All the way to the 200 at 2.9428, price dancing right above them, whispering bullish bias in your ear. No death cross here, it's all golden, signaling smooth sailing if we hold that 2.95 floor. Drop your eyes to the MACD down below. That histogram's flipping positive at 0.0059, with the signal line crossing up like it's ready to party. DIF at 0.0036, DEA at 0.0095. Momentum's shifting from neutral to, let's moon this thing. And don't sleep on the volume. Those yellow and orange bars are pumping. MA 5 at 16 million, Massachusetts 10 at 17 million. That's conviction, baby, not some whale dump, but steady accumulation lighting up the tape. But the real fireworks. RSI clocking in at 39.5758, oversold territory, screaming by the fear, while the broader market's in greed mode. Bollinger Bands are squeezing tight around 2.7727 to 2.7653. That's SAR parabolic at 2.6753 flipping bullish. It's all pointing to a volatility explosion. And AVL, 80 on the volume oscillator. That's institutional hands in the pot. Folks with SAR trailing like a loyal sidekick. This isn't random noise. It's XRP flexing its cross-border muscle, especially with Ripple's banking charter drama heating up, and those 8 ETF decisions looming mid-October. Remember, SEC clarity post-2025 settlement. That's the rocket fuel. ETFs could flood in $3.8 billion, just like BTCs did, turning XRP from underdog to blue-chip darling overnight. All right, high-energy fam, here's the price prediction you came for: straight talk. No fluff, because we're building wealth here in the USA. Not playing pretend, short-term, through the rest of October. If we smash that $3 resistance like it's a piñata at a kid's party, expect a surge to $3.25, $3.50 by month's end. That's a clean 10 to 15% pop on ETF hype and Q4 seasonal juice. Hold above 2.96 support, and we're golden. A dip below, quick bounce to 2.85, then right back up. By year-end 2025, analysts are calling $5.05 easy, with some bulls like Standard Chartered eyeing $5.50 on those inflows, doubling your stack if you ape in smart. Long-term, $9, $10 not crazy by 2026 if adoption hits warp speed. But hey, crypto's a beast, DYOR. Manage risk and don't bet the farm. If you're riding this wave, smash that like button, drop your XRP target in the comments, and subscribe for more no BS breakdowns. What's your move, hodl or flip? Let's talk below. Peace out, legends. Catch you in the next one.